can't wait to see how it plays in it. Oh my goodness. So ooh, wow. Hello lovely, to unbox with me. The main reason why I haven't been online doing long videos is my daughter has broke my ring light. If you see the way my ring light is looking, seriously, it's looking so bad. You can even see how I use some things to hold it, and I've been thinking of how to get a new one, and just for my husband to surprise me. This is how it was when he gave it to me in a polythene bag like this. He said this was how the rider who brought it, this was how it is. So unbox it with me and let's see what is in there. Yes. So let's go straight to the point. First of all, I have to take off this black polythene bag. Let me bring out this one first. It's actually 21 inches LED soft ring light. I can't wait to see how it plays in it. Oh my goodness. So waiting for so long. Oh guys, look at it. It's all in another bag. So which means this one is good. So the light is in another bag. Let's unzip it. Guys, I see what I'm seeing. So this is how the back comes. This is how it's looks in the bag. It is wrapped very heavy on. Oh wow. This one we got like seriously. Oh wow. How do I look? Oh, that's great. Look at the way it's looking very durable, unlike the first one. So you can bend this like this. Like that. Oh wow. And it has 3 stands. So it says the rest of the items is in here in the bag. So I'm seeing a cable for the light with maybe how to fix it. Oh, it has a remote. So I don't necessarily have to get up to go and on the light or off the light. I can do the on and the off, as you can see on the remote. Oh wow, it came with a battery too, and as I said, it seems 1, 2, 3. Yes. And what else? Let's see. Is that all? Yeah. So that's all that it came with. Oh, that's great. So let's start assembling it. And let's see. Oh, and that's not all. And this is also the pole it came with. Wow. So this is the pole it came with. So let's see if I can assemble this one too. So I'm putting the bag aside. Ooh, the ring light itself is very heavy. So then we have this. Push this inside. It's fixed on it. Then the back. Bring it this way. Scroll it. And then it's there. I'll do two. So the next thing we'll be doing is to fix it on the light. So if you check the light, there are 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. So which means one of these will go here, another one will go here, another one will go here. So you can see the down has already been made like a screw. Good. So it's not really necessary that you might use all the 3, but because it is 3 holders, I want you guys to see how it is. And one thing about it is you can bend it. So now let's fix it on the pole. This is the pole. So you can see this hole, it will go on top of this one. So now my ring light is on top now. As you can see, I'm locked it well. So now will now come to the cable and wrap it. So I fixed it also to the socket, and you can see on and off. So this one, it is off, so I have to on it. Ooh, goodness, see how bright it is. What a wonderful light. And one thing is, let me turn the back again. You can actually dim with this. So you can see the color is changing. So let's check out the, ooh, they have stapled it to the remote also. So let's try our remote now to see how it is working. First of all, the light is on already, so I need to off it. So, oh my goodness, bam! So let me press on to it and see. Guys, please, I have a second account, and the name on that second account is Mary's Beauty Petals. And with that one, all I do is natural hair, DIYs for natural hair, and skin tips on how to take care of your skin. And another thing too is I do protective style too, how to do protective style for your natural hair. Please subscribe to my natural hair, that is Mary's Beauty Petals. Yours is, just scroll down my page. I actually featured it on this page, so just scroll down on the page and it is there. Just click on that beautiful picture that you see out there, just click on the subscription and you get notified on all the videos that I'll post. Thank you so much. May God bless each and every one of you. I'm really grateful for how supportive you guys have been. I love you guys so much. And I thank you for you guys, and may God continue to bless each and every one of you for supporting me, for being here with me. May God richly bless you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll end this thing here. I'll see you guys in my next video, soon to drop. But you can check out my DIYs on Mary's Beauty Petals. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye bye for now.